Set theory, practice exercise 67. The survey asked people what alternative transportation modes they use. Using the data, complete a Venn diagram and then determine what percent of people only ride the bus. So again, when they're asking that particular question, they are looking for what's in this region only when they say only ride a bus. And then how many people don't use any alternate transportation. So we want to know how many don't use a bus, they don't walk to work, or they don't walk, or they don't ride a bicycle. Okay, as before, the first thing we want to do is put how many people use all three. So that's 2%. That would go in the middle. Okay? And then now we're going to look at the regions where people do two things. And again, they did not say bicycle and walk only. They said bicycle and walk. So that's going to be this entire region. Let me go ahead and mark that. This entire region right here when they say ride a bicycle and walk. So we need to make sure we take that 10%, subtract the 2%, and that again will give us the 8%. So as you see, 10% ride a bicycle and walk. Okay, 5% use the bus and ride a bicycle. So that's going to be this region right here. Okay. So we're going to take that 5% minus 2%, and that's going to give us our 3% right here. Okay, lastly, 12% use the bus and walk. So I think you could figure out that this is going to be this region, and so that should be 10% at this point. Okay, so we have all of the two regions together. So let's look at use the bus. So hopefully you understand that when they say ride the bus, they're talking about this entire region now. Okay? Ride the bus. And now I can hardly see what I just wrote before. All right, we can deal. So I'm going to have to take the 30% minus 10 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so that's going to leave us with 15%. We're going to take the bus only. And then they said that 25% walk. So that's going to be the 25% minus 10 minus 2 minus 8. And so that leaves us with 5%. And then 20% ride a bicycle. So we're going to take the 20% minus the 3% minus the 2% minus the 8%. And so we have 7% ride a bike. Okay, so in this case, we know that all the percentages need to add up to 100%. So what I did is I am taking 100% minus 15%, minus 10%, minus 5%, minus 3%, minus 2%, minus 8%, and then minus 7%. And that leaves me with 50% don't take an alternative mode of transportation. Which feels true in the United States of America, doesn't it? Okay, so now we're ready to answer the questions. What percent of people only ride the bus? So that would be the bus only. That would be this region right here, bus only. So hopefully you see that that would be 15%. And how many people don't use any alternate transportation? Well, that would be our 50%.